How to manually install the SalesQL browser extension in Chrome. First off, a quick note, make sure you've removed any older versions from your browser before you start. When you're ready to get started, go to the Install Extension page and click Download Now. Then unpack the downloaded file. Right-click on the file and click Extract All. If you are on a Mac, just double-click the file. Move or copy the folder into another directory to avoid accidental deletion. For example, you could drop it into the My Documents folder. Go to the Chrome Extensions page. Click the puzzle icon and then select Manage Extensions. Enable Developer Mode. Load the unpacked folder. Remember to keep the folder in that directory because, if you delete it, the extension will not work. That's it, you have installed the extension. Don't forget to pin the extension for easier access. Now you can save, enrich and organize your contacts by using the extension when viewing profiles and search result pages on LinkedIn. We also work with LinkedIn Recruiter, Recruiter Lite and Sales Navigator, and integrate with leading CRMs and platforms.